let's talk about commercial real estate investing, the golden ticket to passive income and financial freedom. But here is the reality check. 90% of investors fail. Most people crash and burn before they ever see a dime of a profit because they walk in like it's monopoly and end up getting financially bodied by the market. So today we are breaking down why most investors flop harder than a bad Netflix reboot and how you can avoid becoming another statistics. Let's get into it. A lot of beginners think commercial real estate is just buy property, find tenants, and print money. If it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. And I would not be here roasting the 90% who fail. The truth is, cash flow is a myth. If you don't know what you are doing, beginners ignore the hidden cost, vacancies, maintenance, property management, taxes, loan payments, and surprise expenses because nothing says fun investment like a sudden 20,000 repair bill for a roof you did not check. That's why the real pros don't just look at potential income, they factor in every expense before even considering a deal. And if your deal doesn't hold up under stress testing, then consider you have just bought yourself a money pit. Commercial real estate is not a lottery ticket. You don't just buy a strip mall and wake up as Jeff Bezos. Real investing takes research, patience, and actual strategy, which shockingly is not what YouTuber gurus pushing their $5,000 courses tell you by saying just buy this secret property type and make six figures in 30 days. Real investors spend months, sometimes years, learning market cycles, financial strategies, and tenants retention. They don't live their life saving into a hot market based on one Instagram post. And if you're thinking getting commercial loan is easy, banks are not just handing out six figures loan because you watched a couple of real estate TikToks. Unlike the residential real estate, where you can get with a 3.5% down payment, commercial properties demand 20 to 30% upfront. That's 10, sometimes hundreds of thousands in cold hard cash. And even if you do qualify, commercial loans come with shorter terms, higher interest rates, and debt service coverage ratio that make sure you are not just vibing your way through investing. If you don't understand financing, leverage, and loan structure, you are setting yourself up to get crushed. You know what's worse than no tenants? Bad tenants. New investors get lured by cheap properties in bad locations, thinking they have found a steal. What they don't understand, it's cheap for a reason. You want a property in prime location with high demand, not a ghost town that hasn't seen foot traffic since 2008. And tenants, they are not just given. You need to find businesses that actually want to rent from you. No tenants, no income. Bad tenants, late payments, lawsuits, and potential bankruptcy. So pick wisely. 90% of the investor fail because they underestimate cash flow, fall for get rich quick schemes, mess up financing, and invest in garbage locations. But here is the upside. If you educate yourself, analyze deals smartly, and actually have a game plan, you will be in the top 10% who succeed. So don't just wing it. Start researching and get the right tools. And don't invest blindly.